Hey guys, Liam Allen here. Welcome to Liam's In-Depths. Today I have here a 1996 Holden Commodore Acclaim. And so, let's get into it. It's a blue exterior with a very ruined grey cloth interior. It's in pretty rough shape, this car. It's done 259,000 kilometres. It's got an aftermarket Pioneer AM/FM radio. Aircon. That's on full. I can't feel it at all. It's got a speed alert thingy. It's got a driver's side and passenger airbag. Manual windows. Electric mirrors. Leather wrapped steering wheel. It's got a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, I think that is. Comes with a cigarette lighter and a 12 volt adapter if you want. An ashtray. Center console. And I can't turn the hazards on, unfortunately, because it's broken, but I can do this. Alright, cool. Let's go check out the engine, shall we? It's got a 3.8 litre sequential injected V6, which produces 200 horsepower at 5,200 RPM and 304 Newton meters of torque at 3,600 RPM. Looks pretty clean. Brilliant. It's got 15-inch wheels. The V6 I just talked about, it's Ecotech. Seats are not very smooth. Neither are they clean. The door, the ashtray's been sucked out of it. Oh yeah, the boot looks alright. There's the number plate there. Spare wheel. And an ashtray there. I used to have one of these cars. It was a Bellina model, and it was a 96 model, same as this, and it was a wagon. And it was a really, really nice car. This, however, isn't really that great, because it's in very bad nick. Still got the manuals in here. It's also got air conditioning on the doors, but they don't work. Paint's peeling a lot. Number plates dented. Alright. I'll just go just wind this other window down and we'll end it there. Okay guys, that's it for this in-depth tour of this 1996 Holden Commodore. Hope you guys enjoyed it. There's plenty more where that came from. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.